Greetings from Xiu Lei. I'm here at Swan Sati Yoga Retreat Center, Chiang Mai, Thailand. Why would you want to look weird and do Himalaya Kriya Yoga? Kriya is not just movement. It's about dissolution of memories which stand in the way of our liberation. So let's get weird. Please come into squat pose. You're on your toes, hands on the ground. Mula Bandha, that's the lifting of the perineum, pelvic floor, up, tip of the tongue on the palate of your closed mouth. The eyes roll up to the middle of your brain. Focus there. Bounce. Breathe Ujjayi breath. To create Ujjayi, constrict the back of your throat by narrowing the airway. The breath sounds like the ocean in a seashell. There is sound on the inhale and exhale. Breathe slow, deep, and long. The sound does not come from the vocal cords. Bring your hands up by your temples. Begin to tap either side. Stick your tongue out. Roll the eyes to the middle of your brain as if you're trying to see in between your hands. Exhale through your open mouth. Now we'll tap simultaneously. Bounce while keeping the big toes really pressed down into the earth. Slowing it down, come to a stop. Come onto your knees. Tap your thighs, palms up. Curl the toes under if it's available. Check out the flow in the body. Take one elbow on top of the other and wrap your arms around like two entwined snakes. Have one index finger pressing down the tip of your nose, but you can still breathe. The other index finger presses the third eye. Your tongue is now over the front gums with the mouth closed, so you look like a monkey. Wiggle the fingers. Breathe Ujjayi, perhaps tipping your head back if it's okay for your neck. Twist it from side to side. Slow it all down. Release. Take the opposite elbow on top and repeat. This Kriya balances the left and right hemisphere of the brain called the Ida and Pingala. The Sushumna Nadi, or central channel running through all the chakras, is activated. Heart frequency rises to the brain to the Guru chakra for enlightened guidance. Slow it down. Release. Slap the thighs. Feel the flow in the body. Interlace the fingers with the fingers in the webbing of the hands. The thumbs are free and grab the bridge of the nose. Wiggle the nose up and down. Breathe Ujjayi breath. Eyes to the midbrain. Perineum up. Standing on your knees, begin to roll your hips in a counterclockwise direction. Slow it down. Release. Take the hands to the back of the neck and swipe forward, cleaning house. Exhale like a release out of your open mouth, like you're throwing out the trash, clearing out the junk. It's like you're on all fours, but the right hand is on the sacrum. Tap the sacrum. Exhale through your open mouth with the tongue at its lowest point. Roll the eyes up towards the midbrain. Tap your feet like you're drumming the earth. Slow it all down. Release. Both hands on the ground. You're on all fours. Kick your legs back like you want to kick your own butt. Keep exhaling from your open mouth with the tongue at its lowest point. Interlace the fingers with the thumb sticking up. Press each thumb into the corners of each eye. Put your whole forearm onto the ground. Keep pressing into the inside corners of your eyes while in plank pose. Bounce the legs up and down. Rapid Ujjayi breath. For another 3, 2, 1. Exhale everything out. Have no air in you. Do not breathe in. Walk the legs forward. No breathing in for as long as possible. Eyes to the midbrain, tongue tip at the roof of the mouth, perineum lifted. When you must breathe, inhale, sit up, arms to the sky. Exhale, arms down. Inhale, arms up, exhale, down. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Speed it up. And slow it down. Come to a stop. Let the thumbs point up like you're hitchhiking and plant those hands on your thighs. Witness the flow. Tap your cheeks with your mouth open. It's as if your cheeks are a musical instrument. Sounds come out of your mouth. Slow it down. Come to a stop. Have your thumbs pull your ears forward. Make fists, and each fist is at the temples. Rub the temples. Standing on your knees or on your feet, begin to roll your hips in a counterclockwise position. Ujjayi breathing. Pull the top of your ears and exhale. Middle of your ears, exhale. Bottom of the ears, exhale. Keep pulling. Slap the legs, witness the flow. Come on to all fours. Inhale, belly down, head up. Exhale, round the spine. Inhale, belly down. Exhale, belly up. Keep going. Increase the speed of the movement and the breath. Ujjayi. Slow it all down. Release. And sit the butt back over the heels, child pose. Bring your hands to your sacrum and start tapping. Tongue out, exhale, release out of your open mouth and release from the area where you're tapping. Slow it all down, come to a stop. Roll onto the top of your head as if you're about to do a somersault. Bring your elbows really close to your ears and tap at the back of your heart. If this position is not available for you, you can always do this sitting up and tap at the back of your heart. Release the Kriya, sitting comfortably, resting your fist onto your thighs with the thumbs pointing up as if you were hitchhiking. Feel the flow. Low lunge, right knee forward. Curl the tailbone under like you're a shy puppy. Perineum and belly pulls in and up. Make fists with your hands. Take the fist to the sacrum. Start rubbing the sacrum. Roll the shoulders back. If it's okay for your neck, look up. Kaki Mudra, that's where you purse your lips and breathe in and out through your pursed lips. Extend your arms straight like they want to touch your back foot, rolling your shoulders back and letting the heart shine towards the sky, perhaps a little sway from side to side. Decrease the bend in the front leg, perhaps curling the toes up. The mouth is open with the tongue way out, and your exhales are a detoxification. Tap up and down that front leg. Other side. By scooping the tailbone under and lifting the ribcage, letting the heart shine skyward, it further releases the spine. This Kriya opens the lower gateways of the spine. It causes heart expansion and it elevates your frequency. Rubbing the sacrum amplifies your immunity, abundance, and connection to the physical universe. Straightening the arms, the hands reach for the back foot. Lessen the bend in the front leg and start tapping. If you're feeling stuck, tapping the hamstrings and thighs help you to move forward. And releasing the Kriya, slap your thighs, turn your palms up, witness the flow. Plank pose. Round 3 deep breaths in, exhale everything out, hold chaturanga with no air in you for as long as you can. When you think you're going to die, inhale. Upward facing dog. Inhaling up the spine, exhale from the crown like a whale shooting water from its blowhole. Please sit. Inhale, arms up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Fists rest on the thighs with the thumbs pointing up. Witness the flow. Your hands can go where you like. I'm resting mine at the sacrum. You're going to take 3 deep inhales and exhales. After the last exhale, keep all the air out. With no air in you, start to flap your belly. Without any breath, you're just pulling the belly in, out, in, out. No air in you until you can't stand it anymore. Then when you have to inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, slap the legs. Inhale up, exhale, slap. Inhale, exhale. And rest. Fists on your legs with the thumbs pointing up. Come into plank pose. Take 3 deep inhales and exhales. At the last exhale, keep all the air out. Chaturanga, flap your belly. No air in you. Don't breathe in. When you think you're going to die, inhale, upward facing dog. The breath goes up the spine, through the crown of the head, spouts out like a whale's blowhole. Sit down, inhale, arms come up. Exhale, slap the legs. Inhale up, exhale down. Keep it going. Left hand to the heart, right hand to the crown. We were creating a macrocosmic upsurge with the spine and the universe. Now we will do a microcosmic orbit between the heart and the crown. Inhale from the heart center to the crown. Exhale from the crown to the heart. Please continue. Thank you for sharing your practice with me. This is Xiu Lei saying see you later.